Your lungs are not like a kitchen sponge that you can just squeeze out and rinse under a faucet. Yet, if you spend any time scrolling through health forums lately, you have probably seen these flashy advertisements for an herbal purifier that claims to do exactly that. This specific product promises to clear out years of stubborn mucus and buildup using a blend of mullein, thyme, and mint. It sounds like a refreshing tea for your chest. The marketing team behind this is leaning hard into the idea of a total lung detox. They are targeting people who have smoked for years or those living in smoggy cities. The price point sits right around $27 for a single bottle. That is cheap enough for a quick impulse buy. But we need to pause for a second. The biggest red flag is the sheer scale of the claims versus the actual evidence provided. The sales page boasts an incredible rating from over 37,000 reviewers. Think about that number for a moment. That is the size of a small stadium. If 37,000 people were truly seeing life-changing results, this would be front-page news across the globe. Instead, when you look for independent verification outside of their own website, the trail goes cold. This is a classic tactic in the world of online supplements. They create a closed loop of praise. They show you thousands of happy faces to bypass your natural skepticism. They want you to believe that a few drops of herbal extract can undo decades of environmental damage. Mullein itself has a long history in traditional wellness. People have used it for respiratory support for centuries. Thyme and mint are also well known for their soothing properties. However, there is a massive gap between a soothing herbal tea and a clinical lung cleanse. Real lung tissue is incredibly delicate. It does not just shed years of tar because you swallowed some minty liquid. You have to be extremely careful when a company suggests their product can reverse the effects of smoking. That is a heavy medical claim. It borders on dangerous territory. Most reputable health experts will tell you that the lungs have their own way of healing over time once you stop the damage. There is no magic eraser in a bottle. Before you hand over your credit card, you should look at the refund policy very closely. Many of these direct-to-consumer sites make it very hard to get your money back once the bottle is open. You should also check who is actually making the product. Is there a physical address listed? Is there a third-party lab report? If the answer is no, then you are taking a gamble with your body. They even offer larger bundle deals to get you to spend more money up front. They want you to commit before you even know if the product works for you. Always talk to a doctor before adding something like this to your routine. Respiratory issues are serious. They deserve more than a quick fix found on a social media ad. It might just be a harmless herbal blend, but it might also be a total waste of your hard-earned money. Be a smart consumer and look past the flashy graphics. Your health is worth more than a mystery bottle. Trust your gut when something feels too convenient. Real healing takes time and professional guidance. Do not let a clever marketing campaign convince you otherwise. There is no substitute for clean air and medical advice. Spend your money on things that are proven to work. Do not let a fancy website dictate your health choices. Be skeptical. Be safe. Keep your lungs clear the right way.